After getting the official design renders of Galaxy S23 Ultra, now is this time to talk about the cameras of S23 Ultra, as exynos is out with the new camera details of the S23 Ultra 200 megapixel camera. But before moving on, make sure to subscribe to the channel. As we all know, Galaxy S23 Ultra is going to come with 200 megapixel camera, and for that reason, the size of an image will be bigger than what we have seen on the S22 Ultra. That is the reason why Samsung gave 3 shooting modes with the S23 Ultra: 200 megapixel, 50 megapixel, and 12 megapixel. So here is the new details of the Galaxy S23 Ultra camera. exynos shared the file size of the Galaxy S23 Ultra 200 megapixel camera, and according to him, the size of 200 megapixel camera is not very large. As per the new images details, first image is at 20 megabytes and second one is 37 megabytes. So in between 20 megabytes and 40 megabytes, which is not much larger than the 108 megapixel on the S22 Ultra. If you don't need this big of a file, then you can choose either 12 megapixel, or if you need a bit more details, then 15 megapixel would be a perfect balance between quality and storage. Let me know in the comments, are you guys excited about the new 200 megapixel camera on S23 Ultra? After the design of S23 and S23 Ultra, here is the design of Galaxy S23 Plus. And here is the difference between the S23 Plus and S22 Plus. And to be honest, this looks quite same, and we get almost no design change on the S23 Plus. Just the back lenses have a new camera design just like the S23 Ultra. And if you talk about the S23 Ultra, we get the official renders, and after those official renders, we get the flip cases for the S23 Ultra, and these new cases are matching colors of the S23 Ultra. Apart from new design, we also get some amazing feature on S23 Ultra which will help the S23 Ultra to stand different. As per confirmed news, S23 Ultra will going to come with overclocked Snapdragon Gen 2 at 3.36 GHz instead of 3.19 on the normal Snapdragon Gen 2. And with this new processor, we're also going to get some amazing power efficiency, so we can expect a better battery life out of the S23 Ultra. Samsung is going to launch S23 Ultra on 1st of Feb 2023, and they even started reservation for the S23 Ultra, and if you reserve your device, you can get $50 Samsung credit. Price of the S23 Ultra will be more than the Galaxy S22 Ultra, so if you guys want to buy S23 Ultra and want to know about the price, then make sure to watch this video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.